15 secrets women wish men knew. 1. A caring guy is a hot guy. Women appreciate a guy with a sensitive side, especially when they're upset. Put your arm around her and hand her a tissue. Nurturing is a powerful way to connect. 2. Chivalry still has a place. When it comes to romance, many women do like men to take a traditional masculine role. This is especially true in the wooing stage of a relationship. She's perfectly capable of pulling out her own chair or opening a door, but if you see her hesitate, she might just be waiting for you to be the gentleman. 3. Dress to impress. Styles come and go, but a man's attention to his grooming and clothing should be long-lasting. It's important to women from the first flirtation through the honeymoon and beyond. You've got to figure out if there's a certain look that she likes. 4. Guy wears red. Guy gets girl. One intriguing study found that the color red made men seem more powerful, attractive, and sexually desirable to women. There's a caveat, though. Red doesn't make guys appear nicer or kinder, only more powerful. 5. Don't hide your flaws. Nothing captures a woman's heart quite like a good man who wants to be a better man. Women love personal growth. They love a man who is thoughtful and sensitive. She likes it when her man recognizes a flaw, a short temper or a regularly sullen mood after work, and loves it when he makes an effort to address it. 6. Don't try to fix her world. When something's bothering her, she wants your ear, not your advice. Men feel the need to fix things because they are solution-oriented. But to a woman, really listening is a wonderful thing that deepens the relationship. 7. Nodding is not enough. Listening is important, but she also wants to know that she is being heard. Nodding along won't cut it. When she pauses, she's giving you a cue to respond in a compassionate, caring way. If she tells you that she is upset because her boss gave her a tough time, she wants to hear you say, "I'm sorry that work was such a drag for you today," and remember to resist the urge to offer solutions. 8. Date no. 3 is not a bedroom key. The 3 dates before sex rule is an urban legend. Women don't set a timeline on when they'll invite a potential partner into the bedroom. Some women will want to have many dates before sex. A good rule of thumb is to give the relationship at least 2 months to grow before entering the sexual arena. 9. Women like the slow lane. Guys often want to take the quickest path to sex. But many women prefer the scenic route. Women want sex, but they get to it in a different way. They want to feel connected and understood. They want to be romanced. That means time and talking and touching, in other words, foreplay. 10. Learn what she wants in bed. Women do like to talk to about what's going on in the sack, and they want to please their man, and a tactful approach is often best. Ask her what she likes. Be sure to ask for what you want in a positive and validating way. 11. Performance anxiety is shared. When you have an off night and can't perform, she feels bad, too. She might worry that she no longer turns you on, and she will want assurance that that is not true. She will want to talk about what's going on and what you are doing about it, especially if it's a recurring problem. 12. Mirroring is a barometer of love. Remember the saying, imitation is the highest form of flattery. A woman often conveys how she feels about you by mirroring your moods and moves. She may order a meal that pairs with yours, wear your favorite color, or smile or cross her arms when you do. Mimicking is her way of putting you at ease and letting you know she is charmed. 13. Say it, again and again. Women like to be told they look nice, and they like a man who notices without being told. When she's wearing a sexy new dress, for example, she'll give you major points for saying how hot she looks, especially if you mention the dress before she does. If she's looking particularly attractive, if she has a new haircut, if she's looking more fit. Let her hear about it. 14. Don't fear the relationship talk. When your woman wants to talk about the relationship, it doesn't mean you did something wrong. Women like to talk about the state of the union, what's going right, what's going wrong, or simply what's going on. This is a good thing. and honest, wide-ranging talk can bring the two of you closer. 15. Look your partner in the eye. You may feel more comfortable sitting side by side, but many women prefer FaceTime, and it doesn't mean the latest mobile video chat technology. Women prefer their men to make eye contact with them as they're talking, and looking her in the eye during sex will deepen the relationship outside the bedroom. Keep these in mind.